Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're in Detroit. Yesterday we walked a ton of properties. Today we're gonna go walk more properties that we're looking to buy. So if you're interested in investing in real estate and want to see how I go and look at a property, run the numbers, come up with an offer and make an offer, keep watching this video and I'm gonna show you how I do it. We're at the first house of the day today. This house is on the MLS. It was sent to us this morning. ARV is around 70,000 bucks. Rehab is $35,000. So let's go check it out. Needs a lot more work than I thought it would because you have to redo all of the walls, redo the windows. Flooring is really messed up. Flooring is very expensive. All new kitchen. Damn, they just like took a gun and just glazed over the whole thing. Bathroom's destroyed. Well, bathroom, there is no bathroom actually. Yep. It's just a room.
To some degree that's good because they've already taken the vanity in the toilet.
Yeah, saves the demo money.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm worried about insurance too, so when the houses have fire damage like this, then insurance companies also can be a bitch to hike up the premium and stuff. Oh yeah, look at this. What the fuck is that? What the hell? That's creepy.
What do you think though? Do you think 35K will do you?
No, I don't think so.
Whoa, why?
Definitely won't, dude. Well, the rehab budget was 35,000 bucks. If the rehab's not 35K, let's say it's 50K. The house is only worth 70 grand after. And then you need to make a max offer then of 10,000 bucks pretty much if you want to make 10K profit. And they're only asking $22,500, so you'd think, you know, it would be a slam dunk, but some of these houses with low ARVs, like 60, 70 grand, sometimes the renovations are 50, 60, 70 grand. So the houses, even if you take them for free, still don't work. And this is one of those houses where, let's say we budget 50K, but it turns into 60K. The house is only worth 70K. So where's your profit? How much are you gonna buy the house for? $1, and then your profit's 9,999 bucks. So this is a house that we're gonna be probably passing on. Also, the issue with the fire damage, a lot of insurance companies, it's just hard to work with insurance companies to get insurance for fire damaged houses. So I think this is a property we're gonna pass on. All right, so that first house, we just left it. We're gonna go check out another property that's off market. Actually, this deal that we're gonna go drive right now came from property management. So something important to note is when you're building a team on the ground, find a property management company that manages a lot of doors because sometimes they know owners that are trying to sell houses close to houses you currently own. So if you have a property management company with 2,000 doors, they manage so many houses in the city, you buy a house on one street, they may manage 2 or 3 houses on that same street. When that owner comes time to sell that property, they're gonna call you first because they want to keep the property management in-house. They don't want the owner to sell the house and lose the property management contract because they already know the house, they've been managing it. So we're gonna go check out a house right now that was sent to us from property management. So let's go check out this other one. All right, we're in front of the second house of the day. They're asking 35 grand, renovation 25 grand budget, and it's worth like 70, 75K. Our offer is 30K with a 25K budget. So let's go check it out. This is close. Asking price is 35, we can offer 30. So if we can knock down the rehab budget from 25 to 20, we can make the numbers work. Let's go check it out. All right, so this one looks way better than the last house, obviously. It looks like the tenants just moved out. You can see like the tenants' stuff is still everywhere. This one has a way higher likelihood of, I mean, even the kitchen doesn't look that bad. The tile floor, we can probably just remove the tile, put in some new tile. But this is gonna be like a pretty good 20, 25K budget. Hardwood floors in good shape. Yeah. The paint's not even in bad shape. So Section 8, do you know what it would rent for?
Usually Section 8's like a couple $100. Like if it's an $800 rental, you might be able to get 1,000 or 975 or something like that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it just depends on the person's voucher, and then they'll come and look at it and determine based on the square footage in the bedrooms.
Take it off, drywall it, carpet this, repaint it. Or would you just leave the window units?
I think, well, we have to check the basement, but I think we could do this for 25.
2,500 bucks for the kitchen, $3,500 for interior paint, including the basement. Bathroom, 2,000 bucks for the new flooring and then painting this, and then new vanity. So maybe just do landscaping and then get rid of all the weeds and stuff. Maybe budget 1,000 bucks. So 500 bucks for carpet up here. And then what about like drywalling this whole roof area?
60 bucks a sheet, or say 75. I don't know what you guys.
15 sheets times 75 bucks.
1,125.
Whoa! All right, so 1,500 plus management, which is going to be $2,000. But that's good for interior, right? All right, there was a little bit of issue on the roof, so we're going to add in a buffer. So we're at $13,000 now. Let's just add in a $2,000 buffer for roof repairs, other miscellaneous items. 2,000 bucks. We're at 15,000 bucks. The rehab budget was 25K, so we're well below budget. So we're going to go ahead and make an offer on this property and see if we can get it. All right, so we just finished up walking the second house of the day. We tried to get some more houses, but there just wasn't anything available that we could walk. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of take our map of Detroit and kind of drive the neighborhoods that Thierry and I have been both analyzing in Detroit, and kind of drive the neighborhoods, get a feel for the neighborhoods, see which ones we like, see maybe which ones we can add, and see which neighborhoods we may want to remove by driving around. So we're just gonna be driving around, checking out some neighborhoods there. Wow.